Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ko piem Canada ko piem no de Japan e ko e wo say what is nsuo e fa nkofo won kran na nkofo si Nana Akufo-Addo ade na won ka bie Nana Danko Akufo-Addo na adan ana o hwe say wo be kesika bi na nsuo na e fa nkofo no yes and someone nkofo ka no ana Nana Danko Akufo-Addo say abani nyi kapre bia ta onyi kapre ne enyi kapre china because timemufo no enyo omadini so mbese so
den
sensi oto a eno obi hunu say yakonya so oto bolegum obi timi bia the toilet na nam nsuom se bi chimie pa chimie mu chimie the way any person chimi wo Ghana ha no mo ana moto kwan ana mo ba Canada ana mo ho adibie eto na bia mo fra mu nuano mo wo Ghana na mo kanya sasam chom no mo chimi dodo na Nana Danko Akufo-Addo say nipa na mo mo nyoma di so be change your attitude say wo nyoma di so be change usu e no ban a bibia no aban ye be ye
debi
ama bia tumpon ama bia akoso ama bia ne pipa ne kase apie no me pacho sa o man no dodo na no 70% eya na ejitimamufo no so
okay
setimamufo na chimi no omuni munyansa abani pa onkofo gold wo wiase nyina amra still eniema nkoye His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana na do say onyi kapre ne enyi kapre china abani twasika bia ye invested da because nipa no nyoma de so mbese so musuban enti wan kasa wo maami e papa ti asem ne ye o wan kasa gata na wo to aduane wo ho no na Nana Danko Akufo-Addo no so na pon be gata ne wa
debi
nipa da sanit me de bayire nipa da sanit me de fufu a wadi a wantimi no wo be gye gugatem enti wan kasa o mantem enu fiche na ba na be yema
debi
ade na nipa nsu anyansa nipa se mesi gata na mesi dan wo so
ejira no ode
enti nipa na ewo mu no omu nyoma di so mesi so mu su enu omu ban
everade
enti Nana Danko Akufo-Addo say on cheka prene anasa abani nyi kapre so what be kunsuo ensuo dem botre mo amakunkum because mo do say nyansa di nyansa mo nsuo
na ekasa no
musu ni mo bayre mo sesa no mo tu bola gunsuom mo tu bola gugatem mo tu ebili gugatem mo mi ekuti na Akufo-Addo
we want that, but the attitudinal change that would enable us to be able to make to bring value to these demands, that is always left out up till today. Whilst as the Addo River is being dredged, there are still people at home who, when the rains come, think that the easiest way to deal with dirt in their houses is to throw it out into the gutter center. Those things have to come to a stop. We all have to speak to each other in Ghana to bring those things to a stop. Because if we don't, no matter the investment that we made, at the end of the day, we'll be back to square one. And I'm not prepared.
Okay. His Excellency Akasa.
And to His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana.
What you do?
Say, o man bi abon so man no akoso no. O man bi abon so man afa ntoma pa efra no. O man bi abon se emu ofe. Na emu nipa ho atono no. 70% e na ejina timamufo no so. Enya aban no. Enti se unim nyansa ana toto niam ya. Aban no so ye bibi kakra bi ana afa. Na se mo amu Ghana no. Ana se mo amu ti kro ni mu no. Mo nya madu se mbese samusu no ban. Change your attitude. When you want to show us fix your attitude, change your attitude. When you want to show us Subaya, about the pocket for billions of dollars in Ram. Still, and I'm saying the product Jimmy.
Some way, experts and Mahama Kasasa way.
More to Niamaku Polem,
Mama Kasasa way.
Ability among Fanchame.
Was a Mama Kasasa way. Okay, and a month for Siwan can ye on Unia. As my brother car, I feel okay, see and save Subai. Yes, he and Tibida.
Sarakatima
Mama Mika
enti asema na Akufo-Addo kan no na ni abrepa na owie ye no odo na fo na anase ye maame mo ton ne ma odo na market na odo na dwemo no omu su fe na Akufo-Addo so omu sere na Nana Danko Akufo-Addo atowanchem ni de nya ba wi omu ne ma nyina asai omu bu bi ho a omu ana omu hwe omu ma omu kurum ye nkwasiafo omu no omu wo ye no ma hwe nkwala no maame fo na ne ko na omu ba enti omu se na Nana Danko Akufo-Addo omu ye omu moa ye tata bi ko to ye dey okay saraka
to me Why na bem? Why na bem? Eti yasira no. O me pedwadwan yi mayen. Ni ye ne ye ho. Enfri sensuo ne agye ni mu. Yasira no. Wo pagya so wo pagya ne brog dan mayen wate. Na ntabo de. Na na ya brede do. Na na ya ba chawai. Na na ya sira. Na na ya bukotoje. Na na ya sira ya sada ya sayam. Na na ba ya wate. Na na ya sira wo. To wa mo bi ambabi. Yasira o. Chaya ni ama. Di akwa. Di akatu so asai. Na na ya sira o. We am abona bra wate. Jono.
Why do we do this to Ghana? Maybe same way they say. What do you gain when Ghana loses? What do you gain? Ghana didn't say NDC, what do you gain? Is this not this same Ghana you want to become president and ministers over? And you want to run it down and bastardize it into foolishly? Are you telling me, sir, when you are done degrading Ghana and destroying Ghana, now when you come to power, are you now come to restore all the lost glory it has lost? When you could have built upon the glory that is already being built? Kwasi abana de tonso na kwasi afede driver for mra. Driver for de tonso yesi adwadi for mra. Adwadi for de tonso ma afede yesi hey yakoton achimota forest. How? Me achimota forest we me ti abrochire de but answer na we beba no. Minimum whole shake crown minimum 2016 and this is a fact and then I'm coming pay flyer omo ye no nanka me hwehwe sa flyer no nanka me the administrator away chairman do not there to but my yes I mean honorable because I won the phone so I mean ni na di hu komo nanka all the aba na ya twa say 2016 na ho na ye president na ade akufu ado aton aden ye twa ho sword 2016 Ghana for let's be smart too. I have told you people say NDC has nothing better for Ghana. A Yeboka party. A Jimmy Fua was our party no Dawson. I had a one to Bregu Yamni at Jimuntian, no. A Dawson was our party no. We nipa 100 ya. When your papa will more 20 no crown, woman 50 Ghana, not June best son. How the hell do you tell me, say, President Mahama can cut a sword to make that place into a park? Yet it was sold under Kufuado. How? Kufuado ne said Mr. Mahama one the president can. It is a case will be at one the tongue here. Some pass say a tow Achimota forest yanka one the tongue here. Because there will be a one of the wire flyer. Echo saw they say Monfa has say enya park. Why do we do this to Ghana?